10 simple skincare tips that you should know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. No matter how tired you are, never go to bed without washing your face. Dirt, oil, makeup, and pollution build up on your skin during the day. Sleeping with a dirty face can clog your pores, cause acne, and dull your skin. Use a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water to refresh your skin overnight. If you want smooth, glowing, and healthy skin, today's video is for you. Your skin needs water just as much as the rest of your body. Dehydration leads to dryness, tightness, and flakiness. Your hands carry a lot of bacteria, and constantly touching your face can lead to clogged pores, acne, and irritation. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and boosts radiance, but over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier and cause sensitivity or redness. Use a gentle exfoliant once or twice a week, either a physical scrub or a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid, depending on your skin type. Try to keep your hands away from your face unless you're cleansing or applying products. Let me know in the comments. Later on in the video, I will give you the 10 tips to a smooth, glowing, and healthy skin. If you must touch your face, make sure your hands are freshly washed. Whether it's sunny or cloudy, UV rays damage your skin. Daily sunscreen use prevents premature aging, sunburn, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Dirty pillowcases and towels can collect oil, sweat, and bacteria that transfer to your skin. This can cause breakouts or irritation. Pay attention to how your skin reacts to products and habits. If your skin feels irritated, dry, or oily, adjust your routine. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Be patient, and remember, healthy skin takes time and consistency. Wash pillowcases at least once a week and use clean towels for your face. Even something this simple can make a big difference for your skin's clarity. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 and apply if you're spending time outside. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and omega-3 south can fight inflammation and support collagen production. Avocados, berries, nuts, spinach, and fish are amazing for your skin. Cut back on sugar and processed foods, which can cause breakouts and dullness. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Every single day, drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily helps flush out toxins, supports skin elasticity, and keeps your complexion fresh and glowing. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. I'm sharing 10 simple but effective skincare tips that can completely change your routine. Let's dive right into the secrets to beautiful skin. Tip 1. Many people think they don't need moisturizer if they have oily skin. But that is a myth. Moisturizer locks in hydration, balances your skin's oil levels, and strengthens the skin barrier. Choose a lightweight oil-free formula. If you're prone to breakouts, use it morning and night for best results. First and foremost, always wash your face before bed. Not getting enough rest can lead to dullness, under-eye circles, and increased stress hormones that cause breakouts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your skin will look brighter, more even, and more refreshed after a good night's rest. Tip 2. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Tip 3. Use sunscreen every single day. Tip 4. Don't skip moisturizer. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Beauty sleep is real. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Tip 6. Eat skin-friendly foods. What you eat shows up on your skin. Tip 7. Avoid touching your face. Tip 8. Exfoliate, but not too much. Tip 9. Keep your pillowcases and towels clean. And tip number 10. Listen to your skin. Everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. So there you have it, 10 simple but effective skincare tips. Thank you so much for watching. Which of these tips will you try first? Thanks for watching. Get your supplement for your skin in the link below.